Hey, I'm Morgan Crook from Ventex, and I'd like to do a short demo on how to use Channel Bond correctly. Because Channel Bond's a little bit thicker than some other products that are on the market, it helps to have a good technique doing it. And that's going to involve having a small gap in here while we're starting to put the glue in, then tighten the piece of plastic up, the polycarbonate and trim cap up, and then coming around with a fillet on top to give a nice curve through there, which dramatically increases the strength. So we've got the piece set in place now, and you can see it's a pretty good fit here. But what we need to do is make a gap in here so we can get the glue in. So we're going to adjust the magnets just a hair and get the glue so that it goes down inside the crack there and inside the crack across here. Then after that's in, then we can tighten everything up so it's a nice tight fit like that. In about a minute, we're going to come back and run another bead right across here and out like that. And that fillet is going to make the whole joint much, much stronger. After about 4 minutes, 4 to 5 minutes, you can take the magnets off and it's safe to handle at that time. Full strength happens in about 4 hours. So I think you'll enjoy the product. Be sure to use it correctly. And if you got any questions, never fail to call Ventex and ask for some technical help. Thanks a lot.